Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error. I got this error in Node.js project. I will read the error message. Error ENOENT stat C users RT AppData Roaming npm. I will explain the scenario. I installed Node.js and npm and I was trying to execute the command npm install react. When I execute this command on the terminal, I got this error. Error ENOENT stat C users RT AppData Roaming npm. After some times, I found the solution. I will share it with you. Manually create missing directories. It seems the folder at location C users RT AppData Roaming npm, which indicates in this error message, is missing. That means there is no folder with the name npm. There is no directory with the name npm at this location. C users RT AppData Roaming npm, or npm cannot access it. You can try creating this folder manually. So solution is you have to create this folder manually. The folder, the directory npm at this location in your system. Open File Explorer and navigate to this location. See users RT AppData Roaming and create a folder named npm if it does not already exist. So create a folder, a directory with the name npm at this location. What are the location shows on your system error? At that location you have to create this directory, this folder, the folder or directory with the name npm. So when we execute this npm install react, it will successfully work. Please like and share and comment. Thank you.